And this starvation is not affecting your body alone, because your body is not what you are. You are a total holistic being. You are your body, you are your mind, you are your emotions, you are your soul. All that gets connected, all that gets affected. Now, he called it in his language Reiki. Re means universal, Sarvavyapi जिसको कहते हैं. Ki means life force energy, Jivan Shakti. You all have it, I have it. What happens in a Reiki class? You see, in 2 days you are given that capability to channelize higher quantity of flow of energy. And it's not something imaginative. You can experience it. I mean, you can feel it. It's all very practical. The moment you raise your fingers, hands for praise, praying, and immediately you find that energy is rushing into you. You feel very soothed, you feel good, and you have totally out of your normal living experiences. Experience that you feel in the classroom is totally out of one. You're lost, you have never experienced that kind of peace. You have never experienced that kind of soothing touch. And this all happens. All this is because of Guruji. He gave these blessings which could be passed on to people, common people. Now, whatever I am talking is a little beyond your common sense. Common understanding, your intellect which you have collected with a lot of wisdom of reading, going through, is little beyond that. No science can explain. You pray and energy comes and your hands become warm. Now physical sensation everyone feels. A child can feel. Now your 2 hands become healing hands. Mind you, healing hand means what? Becomes source for supply of energy. And this energy can do what? Somebody is bleeding, touch him, and his bleeding stops. I mean, this is not a magic, but it happens. Ask anyone. Some of you know Reiki. You touch somebody with diabetes. No amount of medicine can cure your pancreas. Comes a stage when you got to inject insulin. Like, and start touching your pancreas. What are you doing? You're putting life energy into it. It's rejuvenating. All this happens with Reiki. Let's have a look. I just explained to you what is Reiki. Reiki in a Japanese name is given here. When it is low, you feel stressed, you feel bad, you feel diseased ultimately. When the flow is obstructed, some part of you is starved. Through this process, what you are doing is you are recharging energy into you and building up so that you feel back to normal. You know, normally we are supposed to be what? We are supposed to be healthy. We are supposed to be peaceful. We are supposed to be joyous. And that is not, that's all from within. And that's your true nature. That's all holy, all literatures that you read, all saints you hear, they have been talking about what? That internal, deep peace they talk about. Now all that comes because you are aligned, you are harmonized. Okay, next. What Reiki does? I just touched it, but have a look at it. It's a drugless, harmless therapy. Let's call it a therapy. It is skillless therapy. In 2 days, a child can learn. 6-7 years old child can learn, and elderly people, maybe, you see, out of the thousands of people who have learned Reiki from me, maybe I see in 80s number of people coming to learn. That's the time you learn more because you are less with life energy. So what is important to understand? It is drugless, harmless and skillless. In 2 days you can't develop skill to cure diabetes or cure maybe blood pressure, or maybe you want peace, you want to get rid of stress, you don't sleep so you want to sleep, you want to be less of anger, less of anxiety, less of maybe whatever you call it. All this doesn't come with a medicine, does it? Your child gets angry. Now you look at him, oh, no, he is too naughty or he is too demanding. He is too... No, something is happening. No medicine gives you a cure for that. Like Dr. mentioned, someone going for exam. Oh, he is nervous. He knows, but he is nervous. Can a medicine give him some quick remedy? No. All that is required is a bit of energy. That's it. Maybe 15 minutes, touch him. He's a different person. It's like a car. The tires having inadequate air. Put the pump around and then it's okay. The pressure is okay. Your hands become like that pump. So Reiki heals any chronic diseases, whether it's physical or mental. It brings a balance in your emotions. And when you are balanced, what happens? You become more positive. Isn't it? Stress comes when you are angry. Stress comes when you are fearful. You are sad. You are nervous. But when you are in a good year, so you are peaceful. You are bound to be peaceful. When you are peaceful, you are joyous, that is your spiritual progress, isn't it? Is there any other meaning to spirituality? No. You tend to be a balanced person with lot of, harmony within. This harmony has to be experienced. सितार है ना, बड़े सारे उसमें सुर पाने के लिए होते हैं ना तार. What do you do? If you know how to tune it, whether you play or you don't play, touch it, it's beautiful, it's melodious. Tuning in yourself, bringing you to balance, is like that sitar, which, if properly tuned, is so beautiful to listen. And there's a lot of harmony within you create with help of Reiki. Reiki also, as I told you, heals immediate problems. You got maybe a cut, and it's day-to-day life experience. Put your hand, it heals. Bleeding stops. Somebody had an operation, surgery. Put your hand, it gives very good post-surgical benefits. It heals much faster. No post-surgical complications because it's healing. Then it works on your mind, like I told you. Relief from tension, stress. It enhances your sexual health. Great help to corporate executive. Postural problem and all kinds of stress. I wish you see my website. There's a chapter on this. And you will hear hundreds of people speaking there. What they've experienced. In a couple of months' time, what a radical change takes place from within. Another good thing about Reiki is, it can be done simultaneously when you are taking any other treatment. You don't have to leave anything. Suppose I have high blood pressure. I am on 2 tablets a day. Should I leave it and do Reiki? No, it's not suggested. You continue to take your tablets. But the aim is not to take tablets throughout your life. It has a side effect. Couple of months, maybe your doctor will say, 1 tablet is good. Now no more 2 tablets. Some more time. Maybe half a tablet is good. And that's how Reiki works. Couple of months later, maybe no tablet. Same thing applies to anything that you're doing. Your dependence on medicine becomes less, and that's it. Yeah, I'll just quickly touch upon a few things. Reiki, people talk about spirituality. This is another aspect, but after this I'll go to technical side of it. 5 principles of Reiki Guruji gave. Just for today, I will live with an attitude of gratitude. Just for today, I'll not worry. just for today, I'll not be angry. Just for today, I'll do my work honestly. And just for today, I'll show love and respect to all living beings. Sounds what? Easy to follow, difficult. Easy to follow, but difficult. Huh? Easy.
Easy.
From today I'll not be angry. It's so easy.
Easy.
Huh?
So easy.
Or from today I'll not be worried. It's so easy. Look at what I am saying. Just for today, because he knew that he was giving to ordinary people like us. One day I will die. That will give me courage. That was his beautiful way of handling. But to get rid of anger, not easy. Get rid of worries, not easy. That's where it is, but this is your spirituality. Truly. It's not that you put, you camouflage with dress, maybe a lot of tika, a lot of that, all that is okay. Change here. That is spirituality and that is this. I'll go to the next. We have short time, maybe how to learn Reiki.